So, we've got another question, please.
Mr. President, this has been Hindi from Dubai, UAE. You have a great neighbor next to you, which is India, and they have great potentials to be a great partners with you. What is your efforts to let go all the past history and become one big nation, collaborating with each other in different fields and businesses? Thank you.
Well, I'll answer my final question. Look, one thing Pakistan needs more than any other country right now is peace and stability. The last decade or more, specifically after 9/11, has been of the greatest turmoil to our country. A war which Pakistan had nothing to do with. Pakistan ended up losing almost 80,000 Pakistanis dead. Our tribal areas devastated by the war. Half of the population in the tribal areas internally displaced. Over $100 billion lost to the economy. And one of the reasons why we are at this stage where I'm talking about the two biggest deficits, fiscal and current account deficit, is because of this instability and the war, where investment just dried up in Pakistan. So what we need is stability. Now, stability means peace with all its neighbors. We have peace with India, we have peace with Iran, peace with China and Iran. Our problems are right now with Afghanistan and with India. Now, when I won the elections and came to power, the first thing I tried to do was to extend a hand of peace to India. Unfortunately, and I think it's because of the Indian election coming up, and because, sadly, anti-Pakistan rhetoric brings in votes, I'm afraid we got no response from India. In fact, got rebuffed by India. Now, what we are hoping is that we'll wait till the elections, then again we will resume our peace talks with India. Peace with India is important not just for Pakistan, but for India as well. All the money that should be diverted to our human resources ends up being diverted to non-productive arms race. And secondly, peace with Afghanistan, peace in Afghanistan. It's critical for Pakistan because at the moment, the low amount of terrorism coming into Pakistan is from Afghanistan. And so it's, for us, for Pakistan, it's extremely important that we have peace with both the neighbors. And I can tell you, my government will be trying its best. We are all in Pakistan, there is a consensus amongst all stakeholders that what this country right now needs peace and stability. And only peace and stability will allow us to bring in investment to most of all, to alleviate poverty, give employment to our young population.
So we will wrap it here. Thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for sharing with us all this. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, thank you.